healthcare plays a crucial role in creating prosperity and peace across the globe. Skilled healthcare professionals are the foundation for a healthy world. The answer to the global health challenges lies in building skilled and trained healthcare professionals. But the healthcare industry in India and around the world faces a shortage of skilled and trained healthcare professionals. They include not only doctors but also nurses, midwives, and other frontline healthcare workforce. There is an urgent need to train the new entrants and upskill the existing healthcare workforce in the emerging job roles. The emerging trends in the healthcare industry and the technology complementing the healthcare operations have emerged new job roles like e-health consultants, data analytics manager, and telehealth technicians. According to a series of discussions conducted by LabourNet with various organizations and healthcare experts, it was pointed out that many healthcare support systems have been put in place to decongest hospitals. Some of the job roles emerged due to this include telehealth coordinator, telemedicine executive, and telemedicine enabler, etc. These call for job-oriented training courses not only for the new entrants but also for the trained professionals to reskill and upskill themselves. The healthcare industry comprises of hospitals, medical tourism, clinical trials, outsourcing, etc. The Indian healthcare industry is growing at a brisk pace due to its strengthening coverage of services along with increased expenditure from public as well as private players. However, the deficit of skilled workforce remains one of the major challenges in strengthening the healthcare infrastructure in the country. With the increased efforts of the government to tame diseases, effective intervention in priority healthcare, and increased demand of healthcare services at home call for a highly skilled healthcare professionals. The country would need many more healthcare professionals like not only doctors but also nurses, paramedics, pharmacists, laboratory technicians, etc. A significant increase in the number of healthcare workers will eventually help in managing and diverting the disease burden in the country. Therefore, the healthcare industry in India offers some of the best career opportunities and growth potential for the youth in the country. Currently, there are several long-term and short-term courses along with degree programs available in the healthcare sector. Also, the global pandemic crisis has also led the many training providers and the government to come up with short-term training programs to increase the efficiency and the number of healthcare workers in the country. Interested candidates can get more information about job roles, skills and certifications from the website of the Healthcare Sector Skill Council.